TMC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is the TMC, the metals company stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1 minute video. Ultimately, it's going down. It's sort of melting. I'm genuinely myself would only look to buy here if there is a shift. There is a proper shift, and I don't think anything comes closer. And nothing is unusual here. Just a solid bearish market. I mean, myself, now it's at $5, but I started buying when it was like $2.97, right? And it was like 2 months ago. And also like very now at 5 after it crashed from freaking 8.5. So we've came a long way. I got 3 wins in a row. The only thing that's gonna make me be bullish here is this shift, right? And I'm fair. Like as long as it's sitting above 390, this is still a solid bullish market for me to hopefully look to long. Again, randomly buying, it's just not gonna be happening. Yeah, that's where we are. I have like 9 results there as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.